And we continue our lesson about math, lesson 3. Over and under, above and below. We will learn about position and patterns. Click on the object that is below the star. This is the star and this is a firefly. So we click on the firefly, which is below the star. Click on the object that is below the frog. This is a frog. This is lotus. So we click on the lotus because it is below the frog. Click on the object that is above the alligator. This is the alligator. So we click on this object. It is above the alligator. Click on the object that is above the flowers. This is a bee. This is flowers. So we click on the bee. It is above the flowers. Click on the object that is below the bat. This is a bat and this is a mouse. So we click on the mouse. Let's move on memorization through. We click on the number 2. 0, 2, 4. We click on this. We click on the number 3. 1, 5, 3. And we click on this number. We click on the number 2. 0, 2, 4. And we click on this number. Click on the number 5, 2, 5, 0, and we click on this. Let's start the next part, top, middle, and bottom. The story is about a horse named Leo. One day, the horse Leo was at the bottom of the hill. This word say bottom. And then Leo climbed to the top of the hill. This word say top. Leo liked to be way up high where he could look all around. This rabbit is on the top. This rabbit is in the middle. And this rabbit is at the bottom. Find which shape or present is on the top, or in the middle, or at the bottom. Listen and find the right one. The present is in the middle. So, we can find that this present is in the middle, and this is on the top, and this is at the bottom. So, the answer is here, this present. Find the leaf that is at the bottom. Remember, the bottom is the very lowest. This leaf is on the top. This leaf is in the middle. And this leaf is at the bottom. So this leaf is at the bottom. Click on the baby that is on the top. On the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is A. Click on the koala that is in the middle, on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is B. Click on the fish that is on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is A. Click on the seahorse that is on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is A. Click on the chariot chest that is on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is A. Click on the apple that is at the bottom, on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is C. Click on the butterfly that is in the middle, on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So the answer is B. Let's move on next part, in front and behind. The bear is in front of the box. And now the bear is hiding behind the box. We also use word in front like when you're running a race. If you the person who's in front, that means that you're winning because you're in front and all the rest of the kids are behind you. Find the mouse that is in front of the cheese. This mouse is behind the cheese and this mouse is in front of the cheese, and the answer is B. Now find the butterfly behind the flower. This butterfly is in front of the flower and this butterfly is behind the flower. So the answer is B. Which show the horse in front of the fence? You can see that. This horse is behind a fence and this is in front of the fence. So the answer is B. Which show the kittens behind the box? This kitten is behind the box and this is in front of the box. So we choose A. Which show the squirrel behind the basket? This squirrel is behind the basket and this squirrel is in front of the basket. So the answer is A. Which shows the giraffe behind the tree? This giraffe is behind the tree and this giraffe is in front of the tree. So the answer is A. Which shows the ant behind the apple? This ant is in front of the apple and this is behind the apple. So the answer is B. Which shows the ant in front of the apple? This ant is in front of the apple and this is behind the apple. So we choose A. Let's move to next part, memorization drill. Click on the number 0, 3, 1, 0. So this is answer. Click on number 5, 2, 5, 0. So this is the answer. Click on the number 2, 0, 2, 4. So this is the answer. Click on the number 3, 1, 5, 3. So this is the answer. Let's move to the next part, using position words. For example, if you see a butterfly on a flower, you can tell your friend that there's a butterfly on that flower. And behind the flower, there are 2 more butterflies. That is a different kind. If you explain it to your friend, then they can see them too without scaring away the butterflies. So it's important to be good at different words that explain where things are. Click on Lisa. Can you find her? Who is in front? So you can see in the picture, the girl Lisa is in front and the boy is behind. So she is in front. Which parrot is at the bottom? Can you find it? Yes, this is on the top and this is at the bottom. So the green parrot is at the bottom. Teresa's favorite kind of ice cream is in the middle. What is Teresa's favorite kind of ice cream? The brown, the pink, or the gray? So the pink is favorite kind of ice cream of Teresa's. Cody's dog is in front of the fence. Click on the Cody's dog. So in the picture, this dog is behind the fence and this is in front of. So this is the Cody's dog. Daisy's favorite kind of ice cream is on the top. Click on Daisy's favorite kind of ice cream. So this is on the top and this is at the bottom. So B is the answer. Tracy's favorite fish is in the middle. Click on Tracy's favorite fish. On the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. So A is the answer. Emily's pet is under the table. Click on Emily's pet. This mouse is above the table and this is under the table. So B is Emily's pet. John is winning the race because he is front. Click on John. So this picture, who is in front? This boy. So B is the answer. Jack's dog is behind the fence. Click on Jack's dog. This is behind the fence and this dog is in front. So A is Jack's dog. Joe's favorite kind of ice cream is on top. Click on Joe's favorite kind of ice cream. So the answer is B because this part is on the top and this is at the bottom. And now we move to the next part, review. The lizard is under the table. Click on the lizard. This is the table and the lizard is under the table. So the answer is B. The dog is below the bird. Click on the dog. So this is the bird is above the dog. So the dog is below the bird. The answer is B. Click on the object that is above the dog. This is an ice cream and this is a dog. So the ice cream is above the dog. The answer is A. Click on the object that is above the monkey. This is a parrot. It is above the monkey. So the answer is A. Click on the fish that is on the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So the answer is A. Click on the seahorse that is on the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So the answer is A. Which shows the horse in front of the fence? This horse is behind the fence and this horse is in front of the fence. So the answer is B. Cody's dog is in front of the fence. Click on Cody's dog. This dog is behind the fence and this is in front of the fence. So B is Cody's dog. And now we will move to the next part, exam. The snake is under the leaves. Click on the snake. Picture A, there are leaves, and picture B is the snake. So the answer is B. The turtle is below the butterfly. Click on the turtle. Picture A is a butterfly and picture B is a turtle. Is below the butterfly, so the answer is B. Click on the object that is above the flower. Picture A is a bee and picture B is a flower. So the bee is above the flower and the answer is A. Click on the object that is below the bat. Picture A is a bat and picture B is a mouse. The mouse is below the bat, so the answer is B. Click on the fish that is on the top. On the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So the answer is A. Click on the seahorse that is on the top. On the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So the answer is A. Which shows the horse in front of the fence? Behind the fence, in front of the fence. So the answer is B. Which shows the kitten behind the box? This kitten is behind the box and this kitten is in front of the box. So the answer is A. Tracy's favorite fish is in the middle. Click on Tracy's favorite fish. On the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So the answer is A. Tracy's favorite fish. Emily's pet is under the table. Click on Emily's pet. The mouse is above the table and the cat is under the table. So B is Emily's pet. So now we move to the next part. Counting is fun. Let's count these tigers. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 tigers in this. Let's count these watermelons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 watermelons. How many forks are there? So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 forks. How many butterflies are there? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 butterflies. How many birds are there? Only 1 bird. So the answer is 1. How many chicks are there? Okay, we'll count 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. How many birds are there? 1, 2. There are 2 birds. How many bears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 bears. How many turtles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 turtles. And now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we will learn about the number 6. Let's count this tiger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 tigers in this group. Let's count these dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 dogs. Find a group that has 6. This group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 dogs in this group. And in this group, 1, 2, 2 birds. So this group has 6. Find a group that has 6. This group, 1, 2, 3. 3 chicks. And this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this group has 6 tigers. Click on the group that has 6 objects. This group, 1, 2, 3 birds. And this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 snails. So the answer is B. Click on the group that has 6 objects. This group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. And this group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is B. Click on the group that has 6 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And group B 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is A. Click on the group that has 6 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4. And group B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is B. Click on the group that has 6 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And group B 1, 2, 3. So the answer is A. Click on the group that has 6 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4. And group B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is B. Click on the group that has 6 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Group B 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is A. And now we will learn about the number 7. Let's count these cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 cats in this screen. Let's count these birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 birds. Click on the group that has 7 objects. Group A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Group B, 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is the answer. Click on the group that has 7 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4. And group B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we choose group B. Click on the group that has 7 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4. And group B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is B. Click on the group that has 7 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4. Group B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is B. Click on the group that has 7 objects. Group A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And group B 1, 2, 3, 4. So we choose group A. And this is our lesson. Thank you for your listening.